Hey, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working with the Pretty Florals card workshop, and I just wanted to show you. So the die cuts in this Pretty Florals set, there's a lot of them, so that's it. There's a lot to work with, and they all kind of stack on top of each other. So like this die go together, and this die and this die go together. And this is actually the one I'm showing you today, as I just wanted to show you how to put it together when you're doing it your own self. So on this card, you can see we have two sets of the flowers. So I've got uh, stems, and I have some flowers as well. So basically what you do is you just do the corresponding. Now each one kind of goes with one. So this one has kind of a flat bottom, so I'm going to put it with that one. And this one has kind of a rounder bottom, and this one has a pretty drastic bottom. So that's how I'm putting them together. And then all you do is just attach them, of course, with your adhesive and put them on there. And then when you're ready to attach it to the flower, you just add some glue to the back side of the green part, and then you stick it on there. And again, this one has kind of a flat bottom, so I'm lining up the flat bottom with the flat bottom. And then once you get those glued on, you can just put those on there as well. And you can see on mine, I changed which ones I popped. So on this one, the two in the back are glued down, and this one is popped. And on this flower, I glued down this one, popped this one, and partially popped this one. So you can kind of play with that to make it your own. But I hope that helps you assembling your flowers. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.